Welcome to the JavaScript training videos. In this video, I am going to explain about the else if statement. Else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. If the syntax of else if statement is if condition block to be executed is true. If the condition is false, this else if block is executed. Then the condition is true, this block of code is executed. Otherwise, if both the conditions are false, then finally it goes for the else statement. Example. So, now we are going to write the biggest of three numbers program, where a equals to 2, comma b equals to 3. Biggest of two numbers. If a is greater than b, print document dot get element by id p2 inner HTML is a is bigger, else b is greater than a. Else both are same. Now observe the output. A is bigger. Now I am giving the b value is 2. Both are same. Now observe the code. If this condition is true, then this statement is executed and the control is back into the terminated the entire if statement. If this condition is false, then this code of block is executed. If this condition is also false, we now check the a is greater than b, false. So this else statement is executed. B is greater than a, false. So this else block is finally executed. Thanks for listening.